Today, we're going to be deciding whether this Civivi button lock Elementum is really cut out to be an everyday carry knife. So to be worthy of our everyday carry, we're going to test it against a number of everyday tasks, including paper, a box, a package, and some paracord. So stick around to find out whether it can handle it. So guys, just before we go slashing our way through the test, let's have a look at what's included with this knife. So the first thing you'll get is this lovely Civivi pouch, okay? Really nice quality. And on the inside, you will also receive a Civivi branded cleaning cloth. This button lock knife features an extremely smooth single-handed action and a 3.47 inch blade. Fully extended, we are at 8 inches long. Alright guys, we are about to start chopping, so make sure you've liked the video and subscribed. Alright guys, first things first, let's get this paper out of the way. Let's see how the Civivi Elementum does against a piece of paper. Oh my, like butter. Very smooth. Bit of a tear there. Not too bad at all. Well, we made short work of that subscribe. Let's hope you do too. On to the next test. Let's try opening a package that I've been waiting for. Here we go. Very easy indeed. So one of my everyday tasks is breaking down boxes. So let's see how she fares against this cardboard box. Okay, what about the double thick areas? Let's give it a try. There we go. Really made short work of that box, didn't it guys? We've got just one more test to go guys, but if you like what you've seen, I've left a link to the item for you in the description below. Now last but certainly not least guys, we have the paracord. Okay, now this will probably be our biggest challenge, but let's see how she fares against the paracord. We're going to grab a loop here. Now keep track of how much effort I'm going to have to put in to cut this. Let's take a look. Oh my goodness, that was real smooth. Let's try that again somewhere else. Absolutely butter. So guys, here we sit amongst an absolute wasteland of things we've chopped our way through with this Civivi Elementum. We have the package, the paracord, the box, and the subscribe paper. Don't forget to like and subscribe, which means this Civivi Elementum absolutely deserves a spot in your everyday carry. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.